So the next exercise we're gonna cover is the glute roll. So when the foam roller's on the ground here, I'm gonna position myself up on the foam roller, basically in a seated position. Now with my feet completely on the ground, my arms behind me, it's gonna help stabilize my body. I'm gonna slightly lean a little bit over to my right side, and I'm going to use my hands and my legs to once again navigate and move me through the movement, up and down, trying to find a couple of those tender spots within the glute. Then I'm going to switch in this position here. Same thing, now I'm rolling out the left side of my glute, looking for those tender spots. Now a progression to this exercise will be raising the leg up in this position. Now I have my right leg up. Now whatever leg is up, mine is the right, I'm going to lean to the right side. Now I'm able to get a little bit deeper into that muscle because we have it at a stretch. And then you do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm gonna bring up the left leg, I'm gonna lean to my left side. Now once again, that muscle's on a stretch, so we'll be able to get a little bit deeper into it. And those are two different variations to the glute roll.